I'm here today at LSH Auto, Mercedes Benz of Stockport, and we're going to go inside, we're going to have a tour. This place is absolutely insane. I can't wait to show you guys. Right, so we're starting the tour now in this enormous new car showroom.
Right away as you enter, you're greeted by the lovely front of house team. There's an incredible bar area where you can get a tea, coffee, or a cold refreshment, including a chilled beer, not to mention some sweet treats and tasty food. I have to say, the team here has been so friendly and accommodating right from when I first entered. You get a great sense of trust and integrity from the team here in all the departments. Here on the ground floor, we have the new car showroom. Here you can take a look at all the latest Mercedes Benz models, starting from the A-Class, all the way up to high-end electric models like the new EQE and EQS. I can't continue this tour without showing you this amazing sculpture. It's made from 75% genuine Mercedes-Benz parts. It's small touches like this that make this showroom extra special. If that's not enough, there's also this great area here where customers and the team can get together and watch the Formula One live. They even have this nice leaderboard which tracks all the stand-ins.
Okay, so now we're going to go upstairs. I'm going to show you my absolute favourite part of this place. This is, of course, the AMG showroom.
This floor is filled entirely with AMGs. I love how all the colours pop up here. Oh, and guys, if you're a fan of AMGs, make sure you watch to the end of this video. I can't wait to share with you the amazing AMG I'm picking up here today. Up here we have everything from A45s, then we have the older 63 siblings, all the way up to the gorgeous AMG GT. The AMG floor is absolutely huge and it just keeps going across this balcony here with even more high-end cars. It truly is an AMG fan's dream. Speaking of AMGs, they also have these beautiful handover bays where customers are treated to a truly memorable experience when collecting a new car. Again guys, make sure you watch to the end of this video to find out the incredible car that I'm picking up.
This place is just absolutely next level. Now I'm out here on an outdoor terrace. I mean, what car dealership has an outdoor terrace? And if that's not crazy enough, I am now sitting in a cinema. That's right, they have a cinema as well. And here we have the used car showroom.
This floor is filled with approved used cars. They have such a huge selection of models and colours, as you can see here. This room is absolutely stunning with all the cars lined up perfectly down this long walk. All the cars are in showroom condition and ready to be purchased. As we reach the end of the room here, just look at how big this place is. And if that's not enough, they even have a professional golf simulator. Now, I'm no golfer myself, so Ian here is going to give us a good swing. Nice one, Ian. One feature I have to mention too is this mini water fountain surrounding the elevator. It's a great touch and it adds that extra luxurious feel when you exit the elevator. It's not just Mercedes Benz cars here, they also have an area called LSH Auto Advantage. A selection of high-end non-Mercedes Benz approved cars like this Audi A1 and this lovely Golf R. Before we continue the tour, I just want to say a huge thank you to LSH Auto and its local dealership, Mercedes Benz of Stockport, for giving me the opportunity to share this amazing place with you all. I've been meeting and spending lots of time with the team and I can't say enough good things. The passion and the integrity from the team has been wonderful and the work they do in their local communities has been inspiring to see. These guys have been absolutely amazing and they're now giving me access to all the latest Mercedes-Benz models that they have to make videos with, which is going to be absolutely incredible for the channel. I'm so thankful for this opportunity and I'm going to use it to make the best videos possible for you all. Last week I picked up my first car to review, the new EQE, and we made some brilliant videos with this car. We even had my wife Becky drive the car, which was so much fun. I can't wait to share all the content we filmed with you guys. Oh, and of course, we're picking up a very special car at the end of this video. But first, let's check out more of the amazing Mercedes Benz of Stockport.
You're probably wondering what's up this huge ramp behind me here. Well, let's go up and find out.
Here we have this huge multi-story car park. This is where all the cars are safely stored before they have work carried out and are prepped for sale.
here we have this turntable. This is where all the used cars come and they get photographed for the website.
Next up is the body shop, where hundreds of cars a week are repaired and taken care of. They have full spray booths and the scale of this place is absolutely huge. They also have an incredible alloy wheel refurbishment area here too, and they can even repair the complicated AMG diamond cut alloy wheels. Then we have this huge workshop where on average 120 to 160 vehicles pass through a day. And that's no surprise because this place is absolutely huge. This is one of the cleanest and sophisticated workshops I've ever seen. As you can see here, they do anything from a minor service all the way up to removing the entire engine, like this one here. Just look at the size of this room.
Okay guys, now it's time to find out what car we're picking up. Let's see what we've got. I honestly can't believe I'm sitting here in an AMG GT and I'm going to drive it. This is so surreal. This is my absolute dream car. Let's start it up. Oh, you can hear that V8. If we put it into Sport Plus now. Oh my gosh. It is so loud in here. One more.
Wow, what have you got? I think it's a monkey.
Monkey Mercedes.
Oh, that's lovely. Do you want to get him out?
Yeah.
Here he is.
I want to give them the cuddle, Mummy.
Oh, give him a cuddle then.
Yeah.
Do you like him?
Yeah.
He's nice, isn't he?